Hello, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to ABD Tech Lab, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're exploring a different side of Mike Wolfe, the beloved star of American Pickers. While many know him for uncovering hidden antiques and treasures, his passion for preserving automotive history is less talked about, but just as fascinating. So, what's the real story behind Mike Wolfe and his love for classic cars? Stick around, because we're diving deep into how he's shaping the future of automotive preservation. Mike Wolfe's journey into the world of classic cars and vintage transportation began at an early age. Growing up in Bettendorf, Iowa, he was the quintessential gearhead kid, drawn to bicycles, motorcycles, and eventually, automobiles. His appreciation for the beauty of older machines is rooted in nostalgia and a respect for craftsmanship that's rare in today's modern, mass-produced world. Mike's ability to recognize the value in forgotten relics set the stage for his rise to fame on American Pickers. For Mike, each vehicle represents more than metal and rubber. It's a window into the past and a symbol of the ingenuity that defined its era. American Pickers brought antique treasures into the spotlight, and vehicles were a regular part of Mike's discoveries. Whether it was a rusted motorcycle frame or a forgotten car buried under years of dust, the show demonstrated how these neglected items could be restored to their former glory. Through the show, Mike highlighted the importance of preservation not just for monetary gain, but for the cultural and historical significance of these machines. His enthusiasm inspired countless viewers to look at old vehicles in a new light, sparking a wave of interest in restoration and preservation efforts across the country. Mike Wolfe doesn't just collect vehicles, he restores them with care and precision. For him, restoration is about honoring the story of each machine while keeping its original character intact. Collaborating with skilled mechanics and craftsmen, Mike emphasizes authenticity in every project. From sourcing original parts to using your appropriate techniques, his restorations aim to preserve history rather than rewrite it. This approach has made him a respected figure in the automotive community, as he often shares insights into the challenges and joys of breathing new life into old machines. Beyond restoration, Mike Wolfe has actively engaged the public in his mission to preserve automotive history. In Columbia, Tennessee, where he resides, Mike regularly hosts events like Cars and Coffee, bringing together classic car enthusiasts to celebrate their shared passion. These events aren't just social gatherings, they're opportunities to educate people about the importance of preserving history through vehicles. Mike's commitment to community engagement has helped foster a sense of camaraderie among collectors, restorers, and fans alike. Preserving classic cars isn't without its difficulties. From finding authentic parts to dealing with the high costs of restoration, Mike has faced his fair share of challenges. He has often spoken about the balancing act between maintaining authenticity and ensuring functionality in restored vehicles. These challenges, however, haven't deterred Mike. Instead, they've fueled his passion for learning and innovating within the restoration field. By sharing these struggles, he's helped demystify the process and encouraged others to take up the mantle of preservation. Mike Wolfe's dedication to classic cars and vintage transportation goes beyond the vehicles themselves. He sees them as tools for educating future generations about the ingenuity, craftsmanship, and culture of the past. In a world increasingly dominated by electric vehicles and modern technology, Mike's work serves as a reminder of where we've been. His efforts to preserve and share these pieces of history ensure that they won't be forgotten. Even as the automotive industry continues to evolve, Mike Wolfe's passion for classic cars is about more than collecting. It's about preserving history, inspiring others, and building a legacy. Through his work on American Pickers, his restoration projects, and his community involvement, Mike has shown us the value of looking back even as we move forward. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Mike Wolfe. If you're as inspired by his dedication as we are, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the fascinating stories behind the automotive world. What's your favorite part of Mike Wolfe's approach to preservation? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion for cars alive.